po yung pangatlong video mula dun sa introduction ko, at ang didiscuss naman po natin ngayon ay yung chelation therapy. Ang chelation therapy is a proven medical treatment for removing heavy metals in our system. Like for example, lead, mercury, arsenic, and iron. Ito yung lead or mercury, ito yung nakukuha natin sa mga cosmetic products na ginagamit natin o sa mga pamahid na ginagamit natin, no? Yung mga binibili natin ng mga lotion, mga anti-aging treatments, yung mga moisturizing lotion natin. Kung minsan may mga ganito silang component, no? Yung arsenic naman, usually nakikita natin to sa mga nagmamine, no? Yung mga mining engineer, yung nagtatrabaho sa minahan, yung naghuhukay doon yon, no? So, and iron, kung minsan we take a lot of supplements and then we double the dose of these supplements. So, sometimes we have an oversupply of iron in our system also. So, when you have all these type of metals in your system and you are suffering from it because of the side effects of the toxicity of whatever metal that you have in abundance, no? Chelation therapy is the answer. And ang one good thing about chelation therapy is that it doesn't only treat metal poisoning or abundance of unwanted metals, no? But it also helps in atherosclerosis, yung mga lipids na nagbabara dun sa dinadaanan ng ating dugo, no? It also helps in myocardial infarction, yung pain because of myocardial infarction or MI, yung parang stroke pero sa puso. We don't call it stroke, actually we call it angina pectoris or myocardial infarction. And then it also have helps in other circulatory problems, no? Like for example, kung meron tayong yung mga varicosities, yung mga arterial problem sa ating mga binti, no? Yung mga nag-spasm na arteries dyan, yan. So it could also help. It also have an effect on our other ailments like diabetes and metabolic syndrome, no? Nakakatulong din po siya yung chelation therapy for neurodegenerative diseases, yung chronic fatigue and fibromyalgia, sexual health and erectile dysfunction. Nakakatulong din po ang chelation therapy. Depende sa cause ng mga sakit na nabanggit ko, no? Yung for erectile dysfunction, depende sa cause, at saka yung sexual health problem. And then also for autoimmune and anti-inflammatory disorders. So if you're interested in chelation therapy, just try to get in touch with my numbers and please like and share my account.